Hello students, today we will start with lesson number 4, that is adjectives. So let us start the lesson. In this lesson we are going to learn about adjectives, kinds of adjectives, and there are 5 kinds of adjectives. Which are they? They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity or number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. So students, let us first start with what is an adjective. An adjective is a word used with a noun or pronoun to add something to its meaning. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word used with a noun or pronoun to add something to its meaning. For example, smart boy. Now here we are talking about a boy, and what we are describing about the boy, that he is smart. So smart is an adjective. Understood? Okay, now next example, green parrot. Now here we are talking about a parrot and its color is green. So green is described about parrot. So green is an adjective. Okay. Now next, big hall. Now here we are talking about a hall and we are describing about the hall that it is big. So big is an adjective. Next, round ball. Now here we are talking about a ball. So we are describing about the ball that it is round. So round is an adjective. Understood? Okay, next example. The fat man is an honest man. Now in this sentence we are talking about a man. What we are describing about him, that is fat and an honest man. So fat and honest is an adjective. Is it clear to all? Okay, let us see one more example. There are thick black clouds in the sky. So in this sentence we are talking about clouds in the sky. So what we are describing about clouds, that they are thick and black. So thick and black is an adjective. So I hope that you have understood what is an adjective. Adjective is a word used with a noun or pronoun to add something to its meaning. Okay, in simple way we can say that a describing word is an adjective. Okay, now let us see next. Now there are 5 kinds of adjectives. So first one is adjectives of quality. So let us understand what is an adjective of quality. Adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. So what is adjective of quality? Adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. Since they describe a person or thing, they are also called descriptive adjectives. Okay? And adjective of quality answer the question of what kind. So if you ask a question of what kind, you will get the answer adjectives of quality. Understood? So now let us understand this with the help of some examples. First one, Kolkata is a large city. Now in this sentence, we are talking about a city, that is Kolkata. And about Kolkata, what is described? That it is a large city. So large is an adjective of quality. Understood? Okay, now next. Monica is a beautiful girl. So here we are talking about a girl, Monica. Now what we are describing about Monica, that she is a beautiful girl. So beautiful is a adjective of quality. Understood? Okay, now next. Sneha bought a blue sweater. Now what we are talking here, that Sneha bought a blue sweater. Now about the sweater, it is described that its color is blue. Okay, so blue is an adjective of quality. Understood? Now next. Bhavna is a kind girl. Now here we are talking about a girl. About Bhavna. What we are describing about Bhavna, that she is a kind girl. So kind is adjective of quality. Okay, now next. The tiger is a strong animal. Now here we are talking about animal, that is tiger. What we are describing about tiger, that it is strong. So strong is an adjective of quality. So understood, students? The adjectives large, beautiful, blue, kind and strong tell us of what kind a person or thing is. Such adjectives are called adjective of quality. So I hope that you have understood what is adjective of quality. Okay, now next. Next we will learn about adjectives of quantity or number. So let us learn first what is adjective of quantity. Adjectives which tell us how many or how much are called adjectives of quantity. Now adjectives of quantity answers the question how much. Okay. So now these words, some, enough, little, all, great, much, no, any, sufficient, whole and half, etc. So all these words describes about adjectives of quantity. Okay. So now let us understand this with the help of some examples. First one. The poor man was given some food. So, here the poor man was given some food. So, how much food is given to the poor man? If you ask a question, how much? Some. So, some is adjective of quantity. Understood? Okay. Now, let us see next example. The poor beggar got enough bread to eat. Now, here it is said that poor beggar got enough bread to eat. So, how much bread did he got to eat? Enough. So, enough is adjective of quantity. If you ask how much food he got, enough food. Okay, so enough is adjective of quantity. So understood? Okay, let us see next example. The thirsty crow found little water in the jug. So, if you ask a question, how much water did the thirsty crow found? Little. Okay, so little is adjectives of quantity. So understood, students? The adjectives some, enough and little tell us how much of thing is meant. So they are called adjectives of quantity. So I hope that you have understood now what is adjective of quantity. Okay. Now, next we will learn about adjectives of number. Adjectives which states the number of persons or things is called the adjective of number. What is adjective of number? Adjectives which states the number of persons or things is called the adjective of number. Adjectives of number answer the question how many or in what order. So if you ask a question how many, you will get the answer of adjectives of number. Okay. Now these words to, first, few, all, many, some, several and most, etc. So all these words are used as adjectives of number. Okay. Now let us understand this with the help of examples. First, Reena has 2 sisters. So if you ask a question, how many sisters do Reena have? 2. So 2 is a adjective of number. Understood? Okay, next. Sunday is the first day of the week. So here, if you ask, Sunday is the first day of the week. So which day? First day. So first day is adjective of number. Okay. I have bought many pencils from the market. So how many pencils? Many pencils. So many is adjective of number. So understood, students? The adjectives to, first and many show how many persons or things are met. So they are called adjectives of number. Okay. So I hope that you have understood what is adjectives of number. So today we have learned about adjective, and there are 5 kinds of adjectives. From that we have learned first, adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity or number. Okay. Now, we will continue remaining adjectives and kinds of adjectives in the next video. Okay. Thank you.